What kind of book about math is it?
3D shapes.
3D shapes. What are 3D shapes?
When you go to a movie and you see shapes that are 3D.
So what does it mean? Does it mean that the shapes have got lots of are flat, or they look like real people?
They're connected to each other.
They're connected to each other? And what else can you tell me about the book you're reading?
There's lots of kinds of fractions. There's a diametrical fraction, a minus numbers, divide, multiply, subtraction, and add.
And what does it mean? What does add mean? Can you give me an example?
You add in like 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12.
And that's addition? Where you add things. What does subtract mean?
Subtract is minus.
Oh, okay. And can you give me an example of subtract?
Like 1 minus 1 equals 0.
Right, so...
Less numbers. It's less numbers.
It makes it less numbers, a lower number, right?
Bar graph.
Boy graph?
Bar graph.
Oh, a bar graph. And what does a bar graph mean?
How much you have.
Oh, it shows you how much you have?
And what number you have.
Okay. What else did you see there in your math book?
0.
0. What does 0 mean?
Nothing.
It means nothing, that you have nothing is 0, right?
0 is the last number.
It's the lowest number, right?
Right. It
Okay.
goes 0, 1, 2. 0 comes after 1.
Does it come after 1 or before 1?
After 1.
Oh, okay.
You see 0, 1. So, and there's divide.
What does divide mean?
And also multiply.
What's the difference between divide and multiply?
Multiply is times.
Oh, okay. Can you give me an example? Look at me. Can you give me an example of multiply?
I don't know what times means.
What about if you have 2 times 2?
4.
Right, so that means you've got, like for example, if you've got 2 shoes, right? Then you've got a pair of shoes, right? And if you've got 2 pairs, 2 times 1 pair, then you've got 2 times 2, right? And 2 times 2 is 4, right? And
4 times 4 is 8.
No, 4 times 4 is not 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Because 4 times 1 is 4.
Divide could be a fraction.
When you divide, you could get a fraction. That's right.
And x.
What does x mean?
It could be any number.
Any number? Ah, okay. So if I say 1 plus x equals 2, then what is x equal to?
I don't know what the x is.
You don't know that one?
I don't know what the x is.
Oh, okay. So x, in that case, 1 plus what equals 2? 1 plus?
I don't know.
1 plus what equals 2?
Plus 1.
Right, so what is x? When you say 1 plus x equals 2, what is x?
1.
Right, so x equals 1. So in that example, x equals 1. You see? That's interesting, no?
Yeah.
Do you like math?
Wait, I gotta tell you another thing.
Oh, tell me what else.
I'm looking for it. It's called infinity.
Infinity? What is infinity?
Infinity is the highest number of all numbers.
Yeah, it's
after Google Plus. After Google Plus is infinity.
wow. Infinity is the biggest number in the world, huh? Yeah.
I'm looking for it in here.
You're looking for it in your book?
Yeah.
Okay.